In this video, I show you how to fix Samsung monitor no sound problem. Pause the video till the end so you cannot miss an important step. Here are the options to consider. Number 1. Verify audio cable. Ensure the audio cable is securely connected to both the monitor and your device computer. Option number 2. HDMI cable. If using HDMI, make sure it is a high-speed cable capable of transmitting audio. Option 3. Try different ports. Test with different ports on your device to rule out port issues. Option 4. Monitor volume. Check if the monitor's volume is turned up. Some monitors have physical buttons or on-screen menus for volume controls. Number 5. Update audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause sound issues. Visit your computer manufacturer's website to download and install the latest drivers. Number 6. Test with different devices. Connect a different device to the monitor to see if the sound works. This can help isolate the issue. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of videos. Thank you so much for watching.